Good morning, everyone. Mr. Donahue coming to you again about exporting your grades directly from Google Classroom to Powerschool. This time I'm coming to you from the English office. This should be a much shorter video because we've already gone over how to set up your grade book. And my grade book for this class is all set up. I tried this just a couple of minutes ago and had everything here. Now, of course, some of these things I had to go in and edit, and I'm going to go in and make sure once it's put in that everything is copacetic. But let's go back. The only thing here, I think, right, we're going to export to SIS. We're going to hit that. The thing here is this work is missing and it's ungraded. So I'd be curious to see if that holds it up. If that does, I will give it a grade and then go into Powerschool and change that grade. So let's see what happens. You come up here, you press export to SIS, and it tells you down here, exporting grades. You can leave this page while we finish exporting. I'll wait. All right, it seems to be doing things. Exporting, right up here it's spinning, and it'll either give me an error or it'll be done. SIS export complete. Let's go to gradebook and see. All right, awesome, and there it is. Wait. No, hold on. There's some, no, it didn't export completely. Let's see. Nope, not that one. Go to classroom. Silly. Last, let's see if there's an error. Export details. It'll give me the details. 19 submissions. 10 points, exit ticket, nonfiction reading, successful submissions. Here, this whole thing here. All right, let's go back to maybe I just need to refresh. Let me see. Maybe that's what has to happen here. I don't know. This is new to me as well. So I've got everything spinning. And there it is. I just needed to refresh. Good. So he was, let me move myself. Okay, let me move myself over here. Right, I'm double checking things. Jack is a new student, so I'm going to exempt him for the moment. Joseph, don't want to give him a 0. It's collected, but he was absent. And I left a note, and then I want to save, save. So then just double check, make sure everything is working properly before I end the video. We'll go to grading. We'll go to assignment list. Loading, nonfiction, reading, exit ticket. Right, so what it pulls, what's great about this, it pulls not only, here, let me turn the pen on, not only the title that I give it, but any instructions that I give. If I give a whole paragraph of instructions, it'll put that here. It takes my weighted category that I've added to Classroom. It takes the points, so no more point mistakes, and everything here is great. I'll turn that off, make sure it's all good, save and close, and it's that easy. You grade something, you export, and it's in Powerschool. Just do your double checks, make sure everything works properly. Any questions? I'll be in the English office. I teach a lot in 305. Period 2 study is crowded, but you can come down period 2 on some days when I'm down there, and we'll look it over. We'll make an appointment. It works.